In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in Nutshell CRM. A well-structured pipeline is the backbone of consistent sales execution. It gives your team a shared path to follow, makes forecasting easier, and helps you catch deals before they stall. We'll walk through opening the pipelines area, creating a new pipeline, defining your stages, and activating it so it's ready to accept leads. First, log in to Nutshell CRM. On the left-hand menu, go to Sales, then select Pipelines. This is the hub where you'll manage all your sales processes. If you work with multiple teams or products, think of each pipeline as a dedicated workflow for that specific motion. Next, click the button that says Add New Pipeline. You'll see three options. Choose Create from Scratch if you want full control and already know the stages your team uses. Pick Start from a template if you want a quick, proven structure to begin with. It's a great way to get moving and refine later. Or choose Copy an existing pipeline to reuse a process that already works for you. Ideal when you're launching a new region or segment and only need minor tweaks. Regardless of the option you choose, the goal is the same: a clear, repeatable path for every deal. Now, define your pipeline stages. Enter names that reflect concrete milestones, such as new, contacted, proposal, and then outcomes like won or lost. Keep names action-based so everyone knows what must be true to move forward. Drag stages to adjust the order until the sequence mirrors your actual sales process. A helpful guideline is to keep the number of stages manageable. Enough to show progress, but not so many that deals bounce back and forth. For each stage, you can add guidance or goals. This is optional, but incredibly valuable. Use guidance to capture the exit criteria for the stage. For example, to advance from contacted, you might require a discovery call completed and key needs documented. These guardrails drive consistency, speed up onboarding, and make coaching easier because everyone shares the same definition of ready to move on. When your stages look good, click Activate Pipeline, confirm your choice, and your new pipeline goes live. From now on, it's ready to accept leads and track progress through each stage. Don't worry if you spot room for improvement later. You can refine stage names, order, and guidance as your process evolves. That's all it takes to create a sales pipeline in Nutshell CRM. Set it up once, keep it clear, and let the structure do the heavy lifting for your team.